Tito, get him, Tito. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Fresh one right there.
So we're gonna go see if we catch some of these cow bluefin that everybody are talking about. They're ranging from 100 to 300 pounds. Let's see if it's all just a fishtail. But you know what? We're giving it a little try out of Huntington Harbor. It should take us about an hour and 15 to get there.
Okay, so we're gonna get bait first, though, right?
Yeah, we're gonna go try to catch some big mackerels. The bigger the mackerel, the better.
They have been chewing the mackerel.
Yes. There's one thing great about the touch screen from Simrad. Just amazing, amazing, amazing.
Simple.
Any person can deal with this.
What's the biggest fish on this boat?
Biggest fish on this boat is Amber's bluefin. About 65-pound bluefin.
When I was on the boat?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Biggest fish so far on this boat.
Okay, here we go.
We're gonna try to break that today, right?
Party on, guard.
I hope so.
Radical.
Actually, we are going to there, which is the 43. And here's another trick to that. So when I go up, I kind of learned. You guys want to get a little extra mackerel, you get a little chicken of the sea, and open this up and you start chumming a little bit, and the mackerel will come, so make it a little easier to catch the mackerel. But of course, we're going to the bait barge, and all the mackerel are on there. So.
Yeah.
Got a little hookup, first fish of the morning. Got myself a little bull dorado.
Nice.
Any live out there? Okay, we might start heading down here.
Hey, little guy. Oh, there he is.
Alright, let us know if you're
Sweet. All right.
Beautiful. Look at that.
All right, dude. Nice. All right, buddy.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice little dorado.
Yeah, sweet.
Pretty cool. We got one.
All right.
The old circle hook.
He's getting it done. He chowed that mackerel, huh?
Yeah, ate the whole mackerel.
Sweet. All right, there we go. Slow trolling. I'm not sure what it is, but Tito got that first dorado. We're just gonna let it sit here. Not too sure what's happening here. Yeah, that's a legit fish on here.
Tuna, baby.
You never know. You never know.
Oh yeah, hold on to those rods. Don't fall in. Follow your line.
Don't get pulled in by that 80-pounder.
Exactly. Are you catching him or is he going to catch you? That's the question.
No, we're good. Ooh, look at that bend. That's a decent fish, man. Well, you see me here standing holding the camera, and there's a reason for that. We lost it. I lost it. It's basically just the hook pulled, circle hook. And there's nothing you can do about that. When they bite the troll, you put it in gear and you hold on. So tough luck. Keep trying, but those sting. Those definitely sting. Smell like about the same?
I'm not sure.
Oh, yeah, nice. Kind of staying down.
Dorado. Yeah, he's shaking his head like it.
You want some of these rods?
A little walkway back there. That one will probably come in there.
No, tuna.
That is a little tuna. Yeah, there we go. Where's your gaff at, bud?
Okay, you ready?
Booyah!
Whoa, on the deck. Tuna on the deck. Got it.
Nice, buddy. Nice. All right.
Is that yellow?
Yellow.